Have you ever wanted to make your video clips feel a little more alive, like they're slowly zooming in and out? You can do that super easily in Final Cut Pro using something called the Ken Burns effect. Let me show you how it works. It takes like a minute.
All right, here we are in Final Cut Pro. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on your clip and then bring it down to your timeline. And you want to make sure that your clip is selected. This is the clip that we are going to apply the Ken Burns effect directly onto. So once you have your clip and it is selected, then you're going to go up to the viewer and we're going to look for the cropping tool icon. And here's your cropping tool icon right here. It looks like two overlapping squares. You're going to click on the downward arrow and you have three options. You have transform, crop, and distort. You're going to click on crop. And then you have three more options here. You have trim, crop, and Ken Burns. And here is the cropping tool or the effect that we want to use. We want to use the Ken Burns effect. So you're going to click on that. Now you'll see two rectangular boxes. The green one shows where the clip starts and the red shows where the clip ends. So if you want to zoom in, you're going to make the red box smaller than the green box. And if you want to zoom out, you're going to make the red box bigger than the green one. Does that make sense? You're going to click in, and then you can click and drag to reposition the frame if needed. So let's watch what we have here. It's very subtle, but do you see the zooming out? You see it's playing on our timeline and you see a very subtle zoom out. Okay. So now let's adjust it a little bit. Let's say I want to zoom, I want the zoom to start closer into the cat. Okay, let's play here. We have three options up here as well. This is undo, this is play, and this is done. So see how the zoom is closer into the cat and now we are zooming out. Okay. Okay, perfect. So once you've got your zoom in the right place, you're going to hit done in the viewer. You're going to hit play to preview the effect. Do you see how smooth that is? If you ever want more control, you can get fancy and use keyframes to create custom zooms, but honestly, the Ken Burns effect does the job 90% of the time, and it looks great. And that's it. Quick and simple. So if this helped, hit the like button and maybe subscribe if you want more Final Cut Pro tips. And also drop a comment if there's anything specific you're stuck on. I gotcha. See you on the next tutorial.